Alright. This is where I feel like I'm going to lose some of you guys. But I want you to hear me out. Enjoy the sad music playing in the background, starting now. And just follow through what I'm about to explain. As a lot of you know, that's not water. But as a lot of you also know, you have seen my channel change in the past 2 years. We started out with Devon's Cobalt SS, and I had a Mark IV GTI 1AT Stage 2, it 2-step, it was cool, and I had a Blob WRX. Since then, I went out and I bought this LB7 Duramax. Now, do I regret buying an LB7? No, I don't. You don't see a lot of YouTubers with an LB7. Unfortunately, life has taken me down a path where I am torn to make a decision. And I know a lot of you guys are here for Duramax content. Those of you that are here for Duramax content, whether you stay or you leave, unfortunately, I have to make a decision where this truck is going to go. I'm not replacing it with another Duramax at this point. I'm to a point in my life, financially, and how do I want to say, it makes the most sense for me to get something reliable, family-oriented, that will get me to point A and point B that is good in the snow. This isn't the vehicle for that. If you have been here for Duramax content, you would also know there hasn't been Duramax content because I got blow-by. Started having other issues. I haven't driven this thing in for freaking ever. A week ago, 2 weeks ago, I was in the video hooking up the trailer. It's still sitting in the same damn spot. I haven't driven it. It sucks. It really does. Because I want to have a Duramax, I want to have a truck. It just doesn't make sense right now. Right now, it makes more sense for me to make a wise financial decision in getting something else. I can't keep this sitting in the yard knowing that it's not being driven. I have far other things that need to be done. You guys are sitting on the 3rd gen Camaro right now. I want to get this car done. The Jeep is sitting right over here. I want to take this Jeep that we built in one freaking day. I even want to go higher on the list. But if I do that with a clapped out Duramax, I'm caught in a pickle. I have a Duramax that doesn't run right, but then I have a Jeep that's lifted and isn't the most family-oriented vehicle out there. So for the time being, we're going to find a GMC Acadia or a GMC Terrain. Why? Family oriented. Now, this is where I know I already lost some of you guys. There will be another Duramax on the channel. Just not right now. Everything that I wanted to do to this truck, mother sucker, I haven't been able to do because of mechanical issues. Where if I have something that is one, a family vehicle, but two, reliable, I can get the Jeep lifted even higher, make it even more badass, get the Camaro done the way that I want it properly. Then once both of those are done, I now have a paid for family vehicle, really badass lifted Jeep, a completely restored 3rd gen Camaro, and then I can go out and get a truck. It's going to be a shorter video. I know you guys don't want to hear this. There are too many projects that I have started, and I need something reliable. Like I said, I have the Camaro, the Jeep, the Warrior, snowmobile. Still a lot of content that could be produced. You guys haven't seen this truck in quite a long time. You're not missing out on anything. I don't think it should change what you guys think about the channel. There's a major difference between me and other YouTubers. A lot of big YouTubers, TJ Hunt, Streetspeed 717, they don't have kids. They're out living the dream, but they don't have to worry about kids. I have to worry about my kids, my wife, and my family. And I don't want to go all soft on you guys, but that's where I'm at. And I know this video is going to be short. It's not going to be what you guys want to hear. Trust the process, and in the end, we're going to have a Duramax or a diesel pickup truck, and I'm going to be to a point where it's reliable and I can do shit to it. I've had this thing for almost 2 years. The only thing I've gotten done to it is I bought some cheap ass road cruiser tires that are shot, and I put a 5-inch straight pipe on it. That's not where I wanted to be with this truck. Now yes, I did go out and buy the Jeep and then completely do the Jeep. I guess I could have used the money from the Jeep to fix the injectors, but I like having the lift Jeep. I think the Jeep looks sick. There's more Jeep content that I can get out of it. We have gotten more subscribers from Jeep videos than the Duramax videos. So I guess what I'm saying, guys, is if you guys want to support me and support my channel, just know that there's still going to be a lot of content. We're going to buy a vehicle, and that's not to say I still don't buy it daily in between. But this truck is gone. If this was your first time watching a video on my channel, it's kind of a sadder video, but hey, gotta do what you gotta do. So next time, subscribe to the channel, join us on our journey to 5K. Every like you guys put on the video helps out so much. The more we grow, the more I can do things like this. This is all out of pocket. I will catch you guys in the freaking